Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl here, CHER ready kama kawaida. And guys, I'm here with another video, and I just want to take you through of what I do. And I know it's kind of crazy what I do. Myself, I graduated with BCom, and yeah, and I'm in the agricultural sector. So guys, just want to take you through of what I usually do in normal days, that is a day in my career. So guys, I'd like to tell you thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you're watching and have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I know when you watch my videos you'll understand who I am and what I do, and I hope that you people enjoy. Let's go to the video.
About 7.
Most of the others are dry, and the others have not even been served.
They're still like
Yeah. About 4 are dry,
4 are dry,
and 7 are being made. That's 11. 3. That one is eating the budget. What's the other one? That one. That's also eating. Tunaona hakuna nini hapo, kuna matiti, hakuna kiwele. Now what we do here, just if you notice, we have 3 types of breeds. We have Fresians, who are heavy producers. We have Jerseys, like this one. Maziwa yake itakupatia ukafikiria amewekwa blue band.
Ni mzito kabisa.
Mzito wale wanatengeneza cheese. Yes. So this girl here. Then we have the Ashires, which is also second to this. So we mix their milk. Those wajaka ni watu wengine very complicated. This cow will give you pure milk, but the milk is light. You understand? Wanasema umemwaga maji. You bring a lactometer,
Hakuna kitu.
we don't add milk. We our
Culture.
Our culture and our, how do you call it, integrity. We don't add. Yes.
Hii ni kazi hizi.
Yes.
Kuweka maziwa hiyo ni kama jiletea laana peke yako.
Exactly. Now
It's a taboo.
yes. So these guys give us an average of about 22 to 26 liters
Per day.
per cow.
22, 26.
Yeah. But of course hiyo nimedanganyana, kuna zingine anapeana hata 14, 18. So not all of them.
Just on average, yeah.
So give or take average 20.
Okay.
Average 20. Our highest producer has been 28 liters, but it could be better. It's only that we didn't have enough ingredients for that.
Okay.
This is our small milking area. You saw the music, Jack.
Oh, they listen to music, yeah?
And it's wired to the whole place. It's what the speakers.
Guy was telling us of how he does milk production and the processes. He was showing us his cows, and he had a number of cows, and I came to realize that different cows give different kind of milk. Like he had a cow called is it Jessie or something, that gives very thick milk that produces butter and all those of milk stuff, while the others are normal cows, like they give milk. It's an attitude for sure.
Yes, we brew for them changa.
You brew for them changa.
Is that fermentation thing, yeah?
No, I'm not lying. There it is.
Changa.
Inaiva. Hii ndio ile.
That is ready.
Yeah. Ndio hii hapa ukinasikia naiva.
Hata ukikunywa.
Utakuwa tempted kukunywa.
Then this area is a bit not so good. And this is our maternity wing. Ukisikia kufungua anaisoletiwa hapa. We put our milking machine here. Sometimes if let's say there's only one guy or two, anakamua na mashine nyingine hapo moja, anakamua. Eventually, I'm gonna put a small milking setup system that can do about 48 cows. I'm gonna expand this thing, mirror whatever we have here at that side, but it will be even better.
Thank you.
It's a viable project.
Yeah.
Very viable.
Yes. So that's what when the guys are overwhelmed, don't take a picture of that. It's too dark. Ini hapa mponi kwa hivyo. So these are the cars are now the upcoming warembos.
The upcoming warembos.
Hakuna ndume.
So those are ready to be served, yeah?
Yeah, kibuyu. See, hakuna kiwele.
Hakuna.
The food is there.
Yeah,
It's
true.
ready to be served. This one, the white one, and the third one. I'm not seeing that. It's somewhere. It's ready. Yeah. Those ones are ready to be served. How many months about months? So for another 6 months we are serving.
Wameshiba kweli kweli.
Yeah. So at this farm, we're just shown how the farm runs. We're able even to give some yogurt. We're given not some yogurt.
Hey.
Yeah, some yogurt. Yeah, we've given some yogurt, and it was such an experience. Like with the current economy, people are turning their life around to agriculture because people must eat. I think agriculture is the only sector whereby
We disinfect.
it never changes with time, yeah, and people must eat. We need food, yeah. So this day we just went to this agricultural project and it was really nice. He does food what do you call? He makes his own dairy milk, so he doesn't buy food from outside. He only makes his own dairy milk.
We are going to produce our own milk. This is a pasteurizer. As you can see, we are still doing manual pasteurization. But it's ready here, 200 liters for pasteurizer and the cooling system. Our cooler is here. So,
Thank you for watching. Ciao.